I'm sure every congressman who's been back in their district for the last 2 weeks heard the same thing as the #1 issue that's facing the American public right now, and that's inflation. Be it gas, even more food, even more housing, again and again and again. Now, people say, how are you going to get around that? It's simple to get around it. It's just sometimes a little more difficult, and that is finally saying no to the excessive government spending around here that has forced the Federal Reserve to print dollars and decrease the value of the dollar. Within the next couple weeks, we are going to vote on appropriation bills for the budget year beginning October 1st. Let's look. Are we holding the line? Transportation and HUD, 12% increase. Water, 7% increase. Financial services and general government, 16% increase. Interior, 18% increase. Military construction, VA, 11% increase. 12, 8, 7, 16. Congress is not yet adapted to the new crisis. Thank you.
Gentleman's time has expired. Under Speaker's announced policy of